Hello children, our objective for today is to solve word problems and reason mathematically. Basically, we have already learned the formal written method of multiplication. Now it's the time to apply what we have learned, which means it's time to use whatever we have learned. I will just show you one sum over here using the rucksack strategy of solving word problems. After which you can go ahead and solve the word problems which are given on the next screen. Okay, so let's go ahead. First one is read. So let's read the word problem first. The greengrocer sells 8 boxes of apples and 5 boxes of oranges in a week. Which fruit does he sell more of? How many more? So we have read the word problem. Now we are going to understand or underline the important information. Now remember, when we are underlining the important information, it basically means whatever we need to remember while solving the word problem, that we are going to underline. And it is going to be different for different word problems. So let's underline in this word problem. The greengrocer sells 8 boxes of apples. This information is important. 5 boxes of oranges. Okay. Which fruit does he sell more of? And how many more? All right. All this information is important for solving the word problem. We need not remember that he sold so many in the week because that information is not important for this word problem. Okay? And this you will come to know once you read the word problem. And the more you practice, the better you will become. Okay? Now we have finished underlining the important information. We have to choose. Now, what do we have to choose over here? We have to choose the correct mathematical operation. Now, what is a mathematical operation? Minus or subtraction, plus or addition, multiplication or division. These four are the mathematical operations that we use. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead. So we have finished underlining. Now let's choose the operation. Now we know that one box has 45 apples. So 8 boxes will have how many apples? I can either select to add 45 8 times, or else I simply multiply 45 with 8. So let's multiply this. We have learned the formal written method of multiplication. So we are going to use that to solve this number sentence. Okay. So write the numbers in the correct place value with the correct sign over here. So we first multiply 8 and 5 ones place. 8 fives is 40. So we write 0 down and 4 is carried over on top over here. And then we multiply 8 times 4. What do we get? 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 4 gives me 36. So I'm going to write it. 6 comes here and 3 comes here. 36. So the answer that I have got is 360. Okay. Now we had selected or chosen the correct operation and we have finished solving the number sentence. Okay, now what is this answer? We are supposed to check whether have we answered what the question is asking us. Have we given that answer? So let's check. The question was, which fruit does he sell more of? Did we answer that question yet? No. We have only found out how many apples are there in 8 boxes. We still have to find out how many oranges are there in 5 boxes. So let's do that. We are selecting or we are choosing the correct operation for this part. We know one box of orange has 73 oranges in it. So 5 boxes will have 73 times 5 oranges. Okay, so let's solve it. Make sure to write the numbers in the correct place value. Okay, so we multiply 5 and 3. 5 threes are gives us 15. So 5 is down and 1 is carried over on top. Then we have multiplying 5 and 7. 5 sevens are 35 plus 1 over here, that is 36. So we write 36. So this is the answer for 5 boxes of oranges. Okay, so we have chosen the correct mathematical operation and we have solved these two. But have we answered the question yet? Let's check again. Which fruit does he sell more of? Do we come to know which fruit he has sold more of? Yes. Which one? Oranges. Because 365 is more than 360. So we have answered one part of the question. But what about the other part of the question? How many more? Did we calculate how many more did he sell? No. So we are going to go ahead and calculate that first. So the grocer sold 365 minus 360 is equal to 5 oranges more than apples. So basically he sold 5 oranges more than apples. Okay, now how many more? Did we answer this question? Yes. So we have finished answering the questions which were asked in the word problem. Now, what are we supposed to check? We have to check whether each and every calculation that we have done, is it correct or not? Okay, so after finishing or writing your end statement, you have to go back from the top and check whether the sum you have solved, is it correct or not? Okay, so after checking, you are done with your word problem. So this is how you can use rucksack strategy for solving a word problem. If you have any other strategy which you wish to use, you can always go ahead and use. Now go to the next screen. Teacher has given specific questions. Make sure you solve those. After you have finished solving, only then you are going to go ahead and check the answers. Thank you.